Welcome to this market overview of the cold brew coffee makers market. The global cold brew coffee maker market was valued at USD 490.3 million in 2024 and is projected to reach USD 803.1 million by 2034, growing at a 5.2% CAGR. Growth is driven by rising coffee consumption, home brewing trends, and demand for convenient cold coffee machines. Automatic cold brew coffee makers led the market with USD 274.2 million in 2024, while residential users accounted for 84% of total demand. North America remains a key market, with the US valued at USD 125.8 million in 2024, supported by strong coffee consumption and home brewing culture. Asia Pacific is expected to grow fastest, driven by urbanization, premium coffee demand, and expanding coffee culture. To know more about our research services, visit www.verifiedmarketresearch.com or reach out to us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.